Hey there guys, it's me Chaz from Honda Magic. Got a really quick one for you this time. So, it's summertime, it's really hot outside, you got command start on your vehicle, which is really great, but maybe you just want to roll the windows down a little bit. That's possible to do with the CR-V right from the key fob. So all you need to do is hit your unlock button, that's right, and then you hit it again and hold it. And just like that, the windows roll down for you. Sunroof opens too. This will air out the vehicle. On those hot summer days, you can rely on it to be nice and cool now. All right, sit down so I can show you this for a little bit here. So here you have your key fob. Now say you want to roll those windows back up, or maybe your key fob is running out of batteries and it's not letting you unlock the door. You can get a physical key out of there. On that side, it's a little button. You just slide that over. Little key comes out just like that. So you come up to the vehicle with your key, just like you usually would back in the day when we used hard keys for everything. You turn to the left once, twice, hold it, and look at that, the windows roll up automatically. Sunroof goes away, your vehicle's nice and secure now, and the doors are locked too. Alright guys, so since we got the key fob here in my hands, we'll talk a little bit about the command start. So first things first, you just want to make sure that the vehicle is locked. So you press that a couple times to make sure it's locked. Then you press and hold the command start button. You'll see a light blink at the top of the fob, and you'll also see the vehicle blink a couple times to let you know that it's starting. So let's go ahead and give that a try. So first things first, let's go ahead and lock it. Double tap that. Double make sure that it's locked. Then let's press and hold. And there you have it. Starts just like that. Super easy. So once started, the vehicle will run for approximately 10 minutes. Then it'll shut down. That way you don't run through all your gas. After that, you can press the command start button again. It'll start the vehicle for an additional 10 minutes. Then after that, for a safety precaution, you'll have to come out to the vehicle and start it manually by putting your foot on the brake and pressing the start button with the fob in your hand. So there you guys have it. That's how you can roll down the windows and do your command start, and also open up the back hatch right there from your key fob, which is really convenient. We got some more videos coming your way to show you how to even get more out of your CR-V.